Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. So today's going to be a lot of fun. Jake has been down for a little while. If you caught the last video, we pulled the electric drivetrain out and I sent it off to a buddy in Colorado for some upgrades. But Jake's sitting here without an engine. So I figured, why don't we throw a gas engine in it? You can get the Predator 79cc for $100 right now. I think it's $106 with tax here in Pennsylvania at Harbor Freight. So I'm going to put one of those in. It's not going to have any horsepower. It's probably about the same as the gas. Might go just as fast, might be slower. I don't know, but we're going to try it. I figured though, first thing, we should probably get a baseline with just gravity. So I'm going to push this thing to the top of the hill and roll on down. We'll see how fast she goes. Let's get on that. $14 miles an hour. Not bad. I think with a bigger hill and a little more rolling out, we could probably get it going a little bit faster, but that's pretty funny. Nice and smooth. I actually ended up fixing the rear sprocket. It was rubbing the brake just a little bit, and so I got it. It's just spinning perfect now, so that'll help when the electric drive comes back because it'll have less rolling resistance. But without further ado, let's toss a gas engine in this thing. I'm going to show you how to do it. Follow along. There'll be a little text at the bottom for any gotchas, and should be an awful lot of fun. So let's get to it. Gas motor's in, she is ready to rip. Let's take her on the block and see how fast we can get this thing. Choke on. Half choke. No choke. Just kidding. Well, that governor's definitely not going to help the speed, but let's see what it does anyways. This is going to be a blast. Well, that was a fantastic test drive. 21, 22, 24 downhill. I mean, that's just as fast as the electric bike. That's a ton of fun. So it definitely hits the governor. So I kind of expected that, but might have to remove it. Definitely don't want to do a pipe or an intake. I like the noise. I don't like how loud it is already, and I don't want to make it any louder. Part of the allure of the electric bike is that it's really, really quiet, but might have to do a few mods. I'm thinking valve springs, billet flywheel, get rid of the governor. Might wake this thing up quite a bit. So that's going to be it for this episode. Make sure you follow along and subscribe, because Jake the Electric Mini Bike's coming back with a lot of new improvements. As mentioned, I sent the drivetrain off. It's with a friend. We're going to be doing a ton of stuff on it, but that's all a big old secret until it happens. So make sure you follow along. Thanks for hanging out. If you're going to remove a governor, you got to do valve springs so that you don't get valve float, because you're going to be giving it a lot more revs, even if you don't do a cam. And you definitely have to turn the camera the right way, because everything's going to record sideways.